Hello and welcome to Scorpion Product Review, and I have this box in my hand. It's very light because it's actually completely and utterly empty because the items beside it. So we'll just give you a close-up. Of the box that it comes in. So, as we wait for the camera, hello camera. So, as you take it, we have this item. And here it is, in the hand. Now, we will go down and I will demonstrate its use on my table below with the camera, doing close-up, not in the way we are right now. So, after that, we'll come back and you'll know how to use it and that more detail of it. So I do hope you like the breakdown and showing you how to use it. So please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you would be so kind. I would be really grateful. So let's get in to seeing how this works and how it comes apart and how you use it. So let's get to that right now. Okay, now we have a close-up look at the item. We have its handle, solid metal for easy use. We have the item. It comes apart into 3 parts. So if we take the top off, that's just so you can put the coffee into it. You take away the bottom part. This is where your coffee itself goes after it's been ground. So as you see, we have 3 parts. If you include the handle, that's 4 parts, but the main body is made up of where you put to the coffee. I have some coffee still left, beans left in. This, you turn this and depends on which way you turn it will depend on whether you get finer or more coarser. So the size of the coffee when it ends up in here will change its size depending on how much you turn the dial. So as you see, I have a tiny little bit left that I didn't empty out after the last time I used it. So let us get some coffee. Just in case you don't realise, I keep my coffee in a tin, so it's airtight, and we end up with the coffee beans. Now you don't fill it full unless you want to make a lot. And the amount that you put in will make easily that amount when it's ground down. I always put my hand around the whole of it, then put it to it, then tip it, and in that way none goes on the floor. You take the lid, you just put it on top, you take the handle, and as you see, it's shaped, and you put that. It doesn't matter which one it goes on, it'll go on. Then all you do is turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's see how we're doing. There's still quite a bit left. 31, 32, 33. You can feel, and I think you can hear, try to let you hear. You might think that takes a long time. It depends on how many you put in. And I would be going a lot faster. You hear that? It's gone quiet. There's no pressure on this now when I rotate it. There's no pressure at all. And it's quiet, there's no noise. So, take the handle back off. Give a little tap. And then just gently twist it. It's no threads, it's just that it's tight. Give a little tap so you can get on anything that's still underneath the grinding bit out. And as you see, from the beans we now have the powder, and there is quite a bit in there, but you have the smell that you can smell. So I will make my cup of coffee with that. Now this spoon actually came with my container. It's really good for measuring, and it's dedicated to just the coffee, so it stays in my container. So that is how you use the item. It's solid metal. This one does have this rubber grip, but it's easy. You couldn't clean that, just give it a rub over. I don't normally touch most of the inside, and when the coffee is all empty I normally just put it back together. I don't normally mess around with too much cleaning and stuff on it because nothing gets in, because I can leave the lid on it. And make sure you hang this up on a hook in your house where you can find it, because you can easily misplace where you put that. Because you would think that it would just have something on the side of it just to slot this into, to keep it together, but they don't. But this does grind your coffee really nicely. So if you're interested, I've left a link. Go and have a look. It is quite inexpensive, and it can grind other items other than coffee, as long as they're small beans or seeds. Just watch how strong they are. How dense, how tough. But this one actually has the little glass front and back, so if it can get light you see through, you can see the level of what the coffee is. Bit hard to see that I now have it facing towards the camera. You don't need to fill it, just grind when you're actually going to use it, and that is our product. So please like, comment and subscribe, hit the bell for your notifications, and I will see you on the next review. Thanks for watching.